So I want you to listen to this over and over and look at yourself in the mirror and say those things about yourself because those are your facts.
Always believe you were born to win. It's your right to win. Claim it, frame it, 'cause you were.
I would love to have you hear from a listener, Lee, who's a stay-at-home mom, and she's dealing with a lot of self-doubt.
G'day, Mel. I've been a stay-at-home mum for the last 12 years, and I really want to get back out there and start working, but I feel like I'm dealing with a lot of nervousness, a lot of lack of confidence. I feel like I've been at home while others have been studying, making connections, working their way up the ladder. I want to let me get out there and start chasing my dream, but I'm dealing with a lot of self-doubt. I want to crush that self-doubt. What advice would you give me?
So here's what I'd say to Lee. Lee, here's how you crush the self-doubt. I want you to take a look at your own data. You've been a stay-at-home mom for the last 12 years. So, what does that tell me? That tells me you know how to deal with the unpredictable. That tells me that you are extremely resourceful. That tells me that you work very well under pressure. That tells me you're solution-oriented. You're a problem solver. These are all the things that are valued in any environment. So when you talk about yourself, even though your experience and your context might be at home and as a mother, you can talk about the fact that I'm a problem solver. Let me tell you the 3 things that happened in the same day, and let me tell you how I resolved that situation. Let me tell you how I was really resourceful when A, B, and C happened, and I didn't have any of the things that you would have needed, like D, E, and F, in order to deal with that. But let me tell you how I shifted in order to make that happen. Let me tell you how I built relationships as I started to put my kids into school, or as I had to build relationships with this counselor, with this play date team. All of these things taught me how to be a team player, how to be a leader, how to manage situations, again, how to be results oriented, how to be problem solver. And so there's nothing that I can't learn and learn it quickly. Now, Lee, that's your data. That's not mine. So I want you to listen to this over and over and look at yourself in the mirror and say those things about yourself because those are your facts. And the more that you can embrace that, the more you can connect the dots between that and what it is you'd like to do and draw the parallels. Go get them, Lee.
If these pearls were useful to you, then like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a few more pearls that'll help you to maximize your success.